friends, welcome back. And if you're new here, I welcome you. I have a candle review of the 2020 Dairy Queen Fall Blizzard Treat Candle Collection. This is in the one wick candle scent Snickerdoodle Cookie Dough Blizzard. So let's just get a little bit closer on this design. And like the other prior Blizzard one wick candle, you just have a fall sticker on the front there. And let's take a look at the notes. The notes are sweet dough notes unbaked to perfection with hints of cinnamon and a great nose feel. And I really love their descriptions on their Blizzard Treat candles. So let's take a look at the wax. And the wax has pulled out really nicely, and that flame is nice and tall. And I've been burning this candle for about 2 hours now, and I really like that these one wick candles, they burn very slow, and it just allows the scent to linger and really throw. So let me give you a look at the top here. And this is what this Snickerdoodle cookie dough candle is supposed to smell like. You've got vanilla ice cream here with chunks of cookie dough with hints of cinnamon. So doesn't it look yummy? In my opinion, it looks really yummy, and I'm not really a cookie dough person when it comes to ice cream, but the way this candle is smelling right about now, it's smelling really yummy, and it's putting me in mind of a nice holiday ice cream treat. So I really like the top. I just wish that they did the same with the design on the sticker. So let's just get back into this review. I'm really impressed thus far with this one. This smells like a Snickerdoodle cookie dough. It is pretty strong to be a 4-ounce one wick candle. It does fill up just about an entire room space. It does have really great throw, and as you can see, that flame is peeking through the top there, and it's not as strong as the brownie one, but I would say this one is second in line to it. And you definitely get the hints of cinnamon, but it's not like a spicy cinnamon. It's definitely a sweet cinnamon mixed with that Snickerdoodle cookie. The cookie smells really good. I mean, it's really yummy. And it is kind of doughy also. It's a really great blend, and I'm really enjoying this candle. It's making me want to eat a piece of pie or just have a Snickerdoodle cookie. This is not offensive. It's a very smooth, bakery gourmand scent. So if you love Snickerdoodle scented candles, cookie candles, you would really enjoy this one. And I'm so glad that they decided to include this in the collection, because this one I'm really enjoying. So that is my review of the Snickerdoodle cookie dough. Would I back this up? Absolutely. I'm really glad that I do have a few more sets of this collection. This one I do recommend, guys. So, and I'm also looking forward to the collection that's coming to drop in the year 2021. So guys, if you like reviews like this, be sure to hit your notification bell. Comment down below if you're into cookie dough scents, specifically Snickerdoodle, and be sure to like and also subscribe, guys, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.